Temperature holding steady at 3 degrees. Noted.
Quality check complete for this section.
The milk enters advanced filtration equipment. Tiny particles and impurities are removed efficiently. Stainless steel filter.
Freshly pasteurized milk enters cooling systems. Powerful chillers reduce temperatures quickly. Workers monitor conditions carefully.
The milk rests inside massive fermentation tanks. Beneficial bacteria slowly thicken the mixture. Workers inspect progress throughout the day.
The audio description mentions the voices of female technicians and scientists engaged in professional discussion.
Look at these berries, they're perfect! Woo! Best batch we've seen all season.
Our South Asian female workers carefully inspect the freshness, ensuring only premium berries move onto the conveyors.
Automated sorting systems inspect every fruit. Cameras analyze size, color, and quality. Defective fruit is removed automatically.
The flow rate on the mango line is slightly low.
Adjust the speed on the sorter. Let's keep the target consistent. Sugar, cream, and stabilizers are added to the fruity yogurt. Massive mixing systems blend everything together. African-American workers supervise operations carefully.
The yogurt ice cream mixture enters homogenizers. High pressure creates a smooth texture. East Asian workers monitor digital controls closely.
The current batch is holding steady at -4.
Noted. I'm logging the viscosity levels now.
Technology drives efficiency. The packaging hall buzz with activity. Production accelerates. The exciting stage begins.
The molds are filling perfectly on this run. Yes, efficiency is up by 10% today. Alignment looks good on section 3. We're hitting the target rate. Confirmed. The new feeders are running smoothly into the freezer. Look at the gauge here.
Stable readings. The freezing is successful.
Look at this swirl, perfectly centered. The colors on this batch are amazing.
The automated inspection caught the coating anomaly. Yes, quality assurance remains critical. Standards are maintained. The throughput is exceeding projections by 10%. Incredible efficiency. The new line is performing flawlessly.
Hey, move that pallet to section G.
Copy that, heading there now.